Hello, everyone. Hope all is well. Hope everyone's doing all right. So this is just a quick intro video to the class. Apologize for all of the technical difficulties, all of the issues we've had just getting things started, but we should be good now. So, going into Blackboard, we have our syllabus right here. If you want to take a look at it, it's right there. And if I pull it up, do this real quick. All right, so in our syllabus, you'll see, all the information we have. Alex is the software computer component that we're going to use. I mentioned that in the previous email that I sent. Here are the sections that we're going to cover. And so I'm going to send you a lecture video on each one of these sections. Most of them will be pre-recorded since we're short on time. And I want to make sure I get them to you in a timely fashion. I've already sent chapter 4 to you already. So check that email out. And so we're going all the way to 19.2. Okay. Final exam. We're going to do a final exam during the week, that final week of June 24th. June 24th. June 24th is the last date in my NSU. So what I'll do is I'll have multiple days in that final week where you can come Zoom in and take the final exam proctored. So I'll give you more details on that soon. Notice our evaluation here. We have online homework, tests, and final exam. Quizzes, I'm going to do you guys a solid. We're not going to do quizzes. So if I were to take that off, put that 15%, I think I want to do 30 here. Um, 30, 50, 80. Yeah, I think I'll do it that way. Yep. So we'll do it like that. Your homework will be 30%, and then we'll do your test and final exam at 50 and 20. Right. So I'll change that in your syllabus. Let's see, anything else other than the normal. Of course, you don't cheat, all the good stuff like that. If you have any issues with anything, make sure you keep lines of communication open. So that, and then you see right here, said June 20th to 24th will be final exam period. Once again, I'll give you multiple days in which you can log on to Zoom and take your final exam proctored. Okay. So let's go back here. So here's Alex. That's a computer component that we'll be using. You click on that. Click on McGraw-Hill. And you should be able to click on Alex right here. And from there, you should be able to log on, should register you and all this stuff like that. Let me know if you have any issues with anything as far as getting logged on. And what you should see when it comes to your assignments. All your homeworks and your final exam review. So that's the only thing that's posted right now. I will post tests in there shortly. But your test, everything will be unproctored until your final exam. Your final exam is when you will have to be proctored. You will tune in online, like I said, through Zoom, and we will do that. So your final exam will be the only thing that you will not have access to freely. But your other things, your tests and your homework, you will be able to do those on your own time. Also, and I'll send you an email on this as well. Send me any scratch work for your tests. So any test scratch work that you have, make sure you send it to me. Okay. Email address, I'll send that to you. You guys have seen you can communicate with me through Blackboard. What email address is vtucker@nsu.edu. Okay. I think that is it right now. I just wanted to show you where things were located. The two main things, which is your syllabus and all of your assignments, all of your homework and tests will be generated through Alex, which is right here in Blackboard. Okay. And then once we have everybody in there, I will be able to connect the grade books and everything like that. So, but other than that, you guys let me know if you have any questions. And also I'm going to set up some office hours. Everything got done at the last minute, so I haven't established those yet. I'm going to set up some office hours, and you guys will be able to, link in through Zoom and then talk to me, live in person. So, but all this stuff will be sent to you in other emails. Other than that, you guys have a good one. Be safe. Let me know if you need anything. Take care.